Here you've got Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to customize messages notification on the following device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select notifications, and under notification style you need to locate messages. And here you can turn off all notifications for messages by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see now you will have none notifications, but if you would like to just customize it, just make it active. And at first you can select the alerts, so you can have them on lock screen or not. Then it's the same stuff about notification center and the banners. Just mark those that you would like to have. I will remove lock screen and then I will stay with banners and notification center. Now you can pick the banner style, so it can be persistent or temporary. I will stay with temporary. Then just pick the sound that you would like to have for your incoming message. Let me choose complete. And if you would like to stay with budgets, just make it active, and if not, just unmark the switcher. Then you have some more options, so if you would like to show previews, pick always. Then you can also choose just when unlocked or never. I'll pick when unlocked. And then notification grouping is here, just mark it, and if you would like to have your notification grouped by app, mark it. If you would like to activate automatic option, just mark it, and if you would like to switch off notification grouping, just select off. And finally you can pick the repeat alerts. It can be repeated once, twice, 3 times, 5 times or 10 times. You can also choose never. I will go with twice. And this is it, so you can customize messages notifications. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.